Often individuals with hearing loss or who are English learners benefit from the additional support of captioning. If you're using automated speech-to-text or if your live captioner is remote, a Roger system using the new NeckLoop can provide a clearer signal, thus improving the accuracy of the captions. To do this, you'll need a USB-C cable and possibly an adapter to connect the Roger NeckLoop to a personal device such as a computer, tablet, or smartphone. After that's set up, pair your Roger microphone to your Roger NeckLoop. Next, on your personal device, open the website or software you're using. Last, check the audio settings on your personal device to be sure that the input device is the Roger NeckLoop. There's so many nuances in personal devices these days, we recommend that you test the setup before class or your meeting begins. To learn more, reach out to your Phonak representative.